Hi friends, this is Dr. Ameet Patki. These are trying times for all of us because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Self-isolation is the way forward. However, as doctors, we all have been very busy and sometimes not able to update our knowledge and skills. So let's use this isolation to our benefit. Join me on the 26th of March between 3 and 4 p.m. for a webinar on another problem which is actually griping our society, the polycystic ovarian syndrome. My lecture titled, Have We Reached the Crossroads in Management of PCOS, will discuss all the fine nuances for prevention, diagnosis and management of PCOS across all age groups. So join me on the 26th of March, 3 to 4 p.m. Looking forward to seeing you all.